Now we're going to get into, say, the nuts and bolts on how intense the London tour is going to be for you. Because if you want change in your life, if you want transformations that really work, I don't care what you've done in the past before. Again, if you're still in that same boat or a little bit better, this is a whole redesign of your identity, of yourself. It's time for consciousnss to jump the system, to upgrade to a whole different, say, scenario, a whole different operating system or identity of self. Are you in on that? Are you going to be the pioneers to go, hey guys, this is the possibilities of human. I don't have to age like my predecessors did. I don't have to get ill. I don't have to get decrepit. I don't have to lose my faculties. How many is in on that? How you see abundance, how you see health, how you see love, how you see you at a deeper level, all has to go away. You can't build on the old system anymore. It won't support your infrastructure. But in the new consciousness, what we're going to be doing is like, hey, you know what? We've figured this shit out. We figured the wholeness out. We figured abundance out. We figured out healthy and all that. This is where we start to go, so what is our potential then? Right? And that's what the 2-day event in London, in the iconic London location, is going to be about.